guys, Juvie here, and for today's video, let me share to you my Sohoton experience here in Bukas Grande Island, Municipality of Socorro, our beautiful municipality. And this is the best experience I did, so let's go! Actually, tatlo sana kaming pupunta ng Sohoton, kaso lang maaga yung call time is Train Agaver, the tourism officer, so tulog pa sila and ako na lang talaga yung pumunta kasi libre lang to. So it's my opportunity na makapunta ng Sohoton, guys. Alam nyo ba guys, sobrang hiya ko na po kanina nung pagsakay pa lang sa car kasi parang sumingit yung pagka-introvert natin. Pero alam nyo naman si JV na madali lang makifit in sa mga tao. And yung kasamahan po pala namin kanina is mga medic na naka-duty doon sa Sohoton at saka mga tourism staff na din. From proper town going to Dagatan Bay, sasakay ka lang ng motorbike or if you have car, much better. So, makukuha mo lang ito around 10 to 15 minutes. Pagkatapos naman dito, sasakay ka naman ng bangka or tinatawag namin itong pump boat going to the Southern Reception. Like, makukuha mo naman ito in 5 to 10 minutes. Madali lang. Dito pa lamang po sa Dagatan Bay Resort going to Southern Reception area guys, may i-enjoy mo na ang paligid na sobrang napakaganda pang IJ worthy talaga at ang dagat guys, take note, super crystal clear talaga, grabe. Like what? Is this a place or a heaven? And here we are in the reception area. So yung sinasakyan po pala namin going here is the pump boat operator. So community based po kami dito guys. So lahat po ng nagtatrabaho dito sa Sohoton is from the community, mapa-tour guide, mapa-boat guide, and lahat na ng guide. So community-based po kami dito. So pagdating po namin dito sa reception area sa Train Agaver po, the tourism officer po yung nag-guide namin sa pambot para hindi kami bubangga sa pagdaong namin. Here in Southern Reception area guys, dito po nakatambay lahat ng mga tour guide at yung mga boat operators naman nasa kanilang pump boat lang po nakatambay. And dito sila nag-uusap-usap, nagkikwentuhan. Sure. Mag-hi mo. Mga bago pa ni Susan. How are you? Hi. Mga virgin? Oh, mga virgin. Virgin coconut oil. Hey! Gini? Okay, nagawa. Sa Sohoton Reception area pa lamang guys, oh my god, maa-amaze ka na talaga sa ganda ng tanawin dito. And oh, can you imagine yung talagang yung dagat? As in parang nangangamay siya na kailangan pa talagang maligo at tumalon dito. And with a warm welcome of the tour guide, the pump boat operator, wow. So amazing here. Given na po talaga yung ganda dito sa Sohoton guys. As in sobrang gandang-ganda talaga. At dito ako mas lalong na-amaze dito sa Sohoton because our safety is their top priority. Meron po silang Coast Guard, medic at saka policeman na naka-duty dito para po talaga sa ating kaligtasan.
Hello!
Ang guwapa. Siyempre safe tayo dito. Pag high blood, hindi makapapasok sa Sohoton. Don't worry if you don't have baon na dala kasi meron po kami dito mga local delicacies na binibinta dito mismo sa reception area. At meron din silang mga souvenirs like t-shirt, keychains, at iba pa. To welcome you all here in the reception area is the one and only tourism officer of the municipality of Socorro, Agaver de Galanida. The Agaver Galanida, together with the tourism staff of Socorro. Before going to the main attraction, which is the Sohoton Cove, of course, Peebles Mona, and then we have this orientation for you to know what is do's and don'ts inside the Sohoton Cove with the manager, Mr. Oliver Barunday.
Once again, good morning. Saluhin morning po. Good morning. Yeah, and thank you so much for the video. Anyway, I'm Oliver, President of the local government in Sumal. We'd like to inform you that this time we are about to explore the top attractions of Lucas Valley. But before that, again, mabuhay and good morning. Okay, so from here, this is a matter of 10 minutes going to the tour sites, but your tour durations is a minimum 1.5 hours and a maximum 2 hours, enabled to complete all activity package, namely Salt Cove, Upper Cave, Diving Cave, and Jellyfish Cove. Okay, we divide you into 2 groups since you attend, right? Okay, 5 each group po. Okay, if you have something that you need to our local guide, just tell him na lang po sana. Okay, what we're trying to emphasize here is only 3 important things na po sana. 1, we require you to obey and follow the instructions of your community guides all the time during the actual course. Okay, the second one is a protocol here to wear life vests and hard hats. Okay, but if you wish to think of that one particularly, if you know how to swim, that is optional. But to be clear, for those who do not know how to swim, we do not totally encourage you to take off that one. Again, safety first is our top priority here. Okay, and then the last one, please take advice that all your things that you bring is under your own discretion. So take it exactly your cell phone, your cameras, and everything particularly for those that need to place. If you have something that's important, we don't advise that one to put it in a safe place like iPhones, selfie, or whatever that can protect it. Okay? So there are 3 major activities that you need to explore inside Salt Cove tour. First, the cliff diving. Our cliff diving or diving cave, we call it popular known as here as diving cave. Because you need to go inside the cave and then you have a rock climbing for a while and when you're inside, you jump off the water. It's a 12 feet plus your height diving pool. Okay? To be clear, that is optional. Meaning, if you want to do it, why not? You can go and jump. But if you think you cannot do it, we do advise you to stand the ground and go back to your boat. Otherwise, if you go up, you take only 2 options. 1, you need to jump off. Second one will push you. Because it's better to jump rather than to go back. To be clear, posing is a joke on you. Right? Again, it is optional. If you can do it, why not? You can go and jump. But if you think you cannot do it, we advise you stand around and go back to your boat. Anyway, we allow you to get inside back. Again, if you don't want to jump, we advise you stand around and go back to your boat. Is that clear? Okay, good. The second one is the snoring cave. This time, our snoring cave, we call it snoring because sino yung hilit dito during night time? Okay, may ano po, may list. Next balik. We call it snoring cave because from high tide going low tide, when you have a small opening of the cave, that's the time they produce next door. Because the moment of the sea, open and close, that's the time they produce. Okay? So all you do inside right now is you need to swim around 10 seconds, 7 to 10 seconds in order to get inside. It's a natural swimming pool inside. Luminous water. Okay? It's beautiful inside. The white become whiter. Because parang mag-blue po yung tubig. Yan lang yun. Again, that side, we need you to follow the instructions of your community guides when you go to inside. Again, you need to hold your breath around 7 seconds in order to get inside. Is there any claustrophobic case here? Wala pa yung matakot sa dilim, matakot sa closed area? Yes, claustrophobic? Claustrophobic, wala po. If you have something, if you feel uncomfortable inside, we advise that one to go out immediately before malula yung nararamdaman. Kasi it's a normal po, parang mag-short yung breath natin. Okay? So, is there any clarifications that side? Again, you need to hold your breath, swim deep around 7 seconds to 10 seconds in order to get inside. Okay? And there's no problem if you don't know how to swim because it's already a problem, right? The guide will accommodate you. They are the one who facilitate to get inside. And then third and last one activity, we advise you to have your snorkeling gear because you need to swim without jellyfish. Our available jellyfish this time is only the transparent ones. The spotted one that species not totally around the time. Okay, only the transparent jellyfish that we have. So when you are going to touch, we allow you to touch, but please not in a longer time to sana. Okay? Particularly for the girls, you will touch, please wash your hands first before touching the face. Okay, baka po may allergy na to. Pero it's a totally harmless po sila. Wag lang yung ilapit yung mata natin, baka based on our experience, you have a very sensitive mata natin. Right? So is there any clarifications po? Hearing none means say yes. You will now get your diabetes and habits. Enjoy.
After the orientation with the manager, Oliver, so you're good to go going the main attraction here in Soton, the Soton Cove. And then, of course, don't forget to put sunblock on our faces kasi mainit. And of course, lotion to our body para protektado po tayo sa sobrang init ng panahon ngayon, guys. Yes, don't forget to put sunblocks and lotions. And you're good to go. While waiting po sa ating turn para makapunta tayo sa main attraction which is the Soton Cove, syempre aura-aura po muna ako dito kasi wala po talaga akong pampasok. Hanggang dito na lang po muna guys kasi mahaba na po yung video to, so follow for part 2! Facebook account, Edit Lito Sangko, and marami po kayo matutunan sa kanyang vlog din. And thank you so much, sir.